In this video, you will see how to change Outlook time zone on MacBook. It's very easy. To change Outlook time zone, you need to click here on the Outlook option and then click on Settings. You will see this Outlook setting window. The Outlook time zone comes under the calendar. So just click on the calendar, and under this window here is the option of time zone. So default time zone for new events is given here, that is, this is your current time zone. So if you want to change it, you need to click on this option and then you can select any time zone of your choice. If you also want to set the second time zone, then you can click here and then select the second time zone. Likewise, you can also change the third time zone. After selecting, you just have to close the window and then close the Outlook and relaunch the Outlook on your MacBook. In this way, you can change Outlook time zone on Mac. Now check out these useful videos if you want to learn Outlook on Mac quickly. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. See you again in the next one.